Imagine pedaling down a quiet countryside road, the cool evening breeze brushing against your face, and behind your bicycle, instead of a heavy trailer or a pile of bags, you're pulling your very own tiny home. What you're looking at right now is not just a camper. It's a cleverly designed mini mobile home built to be completely towable by a simple bicycle. And despite its small size, it's packed with thoughtful features that turn it into a surprisingly comfortable micro-living space for travelers, adventurers, or anyone dreaming of an affordable, off-grid lifestyle. At first glance, the retro design immediately stands out. The camper has a beautiful two-tone color scheme, a warm cream top paired with a refreshing teal lower half. This combination gives it that classic 60s caravan vibe, making it feel both nostalgic and charming. The rounded front, the soft curves, and the compact shape aren't just for looks. They also help reduce drag when it's being pulled by the bike, making the whole setup easier to pedal even on mild inclines. The bicycle itself is a sturdy touring model, built with a strong metal frame to handle the additional weight. The front headlight glows warmly, which is essential for nighttime rides, especially in rural or forested areas like the breathtaking landscape in the background. The seat is cushioned and ergonomic, showing that long-distance travel is definitely part of the design intention. Everything about this bike camper combination suggests simplicity, sustainability, and freedom. Now, move your eyes to the camper. The front window is wide, allowing plenty of natural light to enter the interior. This not only opens up the inside visually but also reduces the need for constant artificial lighting during the day. Below the window are two small, circular fixtures that resemble classic caravan lamps, which gives it that iconic vintage charm. You'll notice the camper is mounted on two large, strong wheels, each designed to support the weight of the structure and provide stability, even on uneven dirt roads like the one shown in the scenery. The entrance door on the side is compact but tall enough for easy access. It has a window to allow airflow and visibility, making the interior feel less confined. Next to the door is an additional horizontal window, likely for the sleeping or sitting area inside. These windows make a big difference in comfort, allowing travelers to enjoy the view from the inside while staying protected from the weather. The landscape around the camper tells a story of why this kind of travel appeals to so many people. Rolling green hills, dense forest stretching across the mountains, open fields, and clean air create the perfect environment for slow travel. With a bike camper like this, you don't need fuel, expensive campsites, or complicated machinery. You simply pedal, stop wherever you like, and enjoy nature at your own pace. It's a lifestyle built around minimalism, sustainability, and a deep connection to the environment. If we imagine stepping inside this tiny home, you'd likely find a small but smartly arranged space. Many of these mini campers include a foldable bed, small storage compartments, and sometimes even a compact table for meals or work. The curved roof maximizes interior headroom, making the small space feel more open. Insulation panels on the exterior show that this camper is built for various weather conditions, keeping it cool in summer and warm in colder months. The frame connecting the bike and camper is tightly secured with reinforced joints to ensure stability. This prevents wobbling during movement and makes the entire setup safer, especially on long-distance cycling trips. The design also ensures that weight is distributed properly, so the cyclist doesn't feel like they're pulling a heavy load during every pedal stroke. A setup like this reflects the growing trend of ultra-light, ultra-portable micro-housing. In a world where rent is rising, fuel prices fluctuate, and life feels increasingly fast-paced, people are discovering the joy of simple living. A bike camper offers independence. Your home follows you wherever you go. If you want to wake up beside a lake, a forest, a mountain, or a cozy village, you can. And instead of spending thousands on travel, you rely on pedal power, making the journey itself part of the adventure. These types of campers are also becoming popular with students.